Hello everyone. The founder of the newly launched Umkhonto Party, Khumalo, has told the IEC to remove former President Jacob Zuma as the face of the party and from its list of potential members of parliament. He did not only stop there, he even wrote a letter for the former president and informed him that he's suspending Jacob Zuma from the Umkhonto Party. The letter stated, "Dear Jacob Zuma, your precautionary suspension from Umkhonto Party. I write to you in my capacity as the president of Umkhonto Party. You have committed several acts of misconduct in relation to the activities of Umkhonto Party. These have brought the party into disrepute and caused confusion within the broader public and membership of the MK party. Specifically, you have purported to suspend me as the president of the party without following the procedures prescribed by the constitution of the party. In these circumstances, you are hereby placed on precautionary suspension pending disciplinary proceedings being brought against you in terms of the constitution of the Umkhonto Party. Yours faithfully, Khumalo, president of the Umkhonto Party," and it's dated 5 May 2024. In a letter that was addressed to the IEC, stated, "Removal of Jacob Zuma from the list of members of parliament of Umkhonto Party. I write to you in my capacity as the president of the Umkhonto Party. This is to request the immediate removal of Mr. Zuma's name as the face of the Umkhonto Party and president of Umkhonto Party. I sent a letter to the commission on 9 April 2024 in which I stated that Mr. Zuma will be in the face of the party. The letter is attached, marked A. To provide a brief background, number 1, I formed the Umkhonto Party in 2023. I registered it with the Electoral Commission on 7 September 2023. Number 2, prior to the registration of Umkhonto Party, I consulted for political advice and guidance with former President Jacob Zuma. Number 3, during those consultations, Mr. Zuma proposed that any name of the party should be aligned to the ANC because there are too many political parties and the brand of the ANC is entrenched within the public and the population. Number 4, in fact, the name of Umkhonto Party was proposed by Mr. Zuma. I was responsible for the registration of Umkhonto Party with the Electoral Commission. Mr. Zuma also assisted with raising of the funds for the registration, which was around 705,000 rand. I'm not at liberty to name the persons who paid for the registration. During December 2023, Mr. Zuma proposed that Umkhonto Party should be launched on 16 December because that is the date when the real Umkhonto was launched. I agreed with his proposed. Number 6, at all times, it was always understood that Mr. Zuma is not a member of Umkhonto Party but will assist in the campaign. In fact, when he announced his decision to vote and campaign for Umkhonto Party on 16 December 2023, he made it clear he would remain a member of the ANC. Number 7, the Umkhonto Party has an interim executive committee of which I am the president. It also has constitution, a copy of which is attached, marked B. Mr. Zuma is not a member of the executive committee. There had been a rumor that Mr. Zuma intended to hijack the party, but I rejected these rumors because I understood that the relationship with Mr. Zuma is sold. Number 8, on 23 April 2024, I was called into a meeting with several individuals who are not in the National Executive Committee but have been active in Umkhonto Party. Mr. Zuma announced that I had been removed as the president of the party and he would henceforth become the president. Number 9, during that meeting, a fraudulent letter was prepared for transmission to the Electoral Commission announcing that I will no longer be on the list candidates and that Mr. Zuma will be the face and the president of Umkhonto Party. Number 10, I sent a letter to the Electoral Commission in which I confirmed that Mr. Zuma will be the face of the party. At no stage I did confirm that Mr. Zuma will be the president of the party. Mr. Zuma's conduct has brought Umkhonto Party into disrepute and he has acted contrary to the terms of the constitution of the party. He has purported to remove me as a party leader without following any procedures. Furthermore, it has been widely discussed within MK Party that after elections, certain individuals, including an active member and a leader of an opposition party, will take over as president of MK Party. Mr. Zuma's daughter would take over as president of MK Party. Mr. Zuma's daughter, Ms. Duduzile Zuma, has also persistently and publicly disgraced my name. These circumstances, I request urgently that the Electoral Commission should remove Mr. Zuma's name as the face of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. He should also be immediately removed as the president of the MK Party. He occupies both positions through fraudulent and illegal maneuvers. The interim executive will be taking steps immediately to address the conduct of Mr. Zuma through the structure of the party. Yours faithfully, Khumalo, president of the MK Party. Not so long ago, Khumalo was allegedly accused of being a spy for the ANC. There are other allegations that he received about 10 million rand from Zweli Mkhize, the senior member of the ANC, as it was reported that he bought 2.6 million rand Toyota Land Cruiser and also that he bought 2 houses in Palito.